Some first time hearing aid users cry the moment their device turns on. Not because of pain, because they suddenly hear something they forgot existed. Most hearing loss develops gradually over years. There is no single moment where sound disappears. The world simply becomes quieter and less detailed little by little. While the brain adapts so efficiently, the person rarely notices what's gone. Then a properly fitted hearing aid restores frequencies the brain has been missing for years. Birds outside the window, rainfall, the texture of a loved one's voice, tiny details that slowly vanished without warning suddenly return all at once. That emotional reaction isn't about the technology itself, it's the shock of realizing how much sound and how much life had quietly disappeared before treatment began. Zenaud helps people rediscover the sounds they thought were gone forever. The right hearing aid and the right fitting can change everything.